Hey guys, so for those breaking their head over this question still, I thought I'd record a quick video, so here we go. So we have two people here. We have Albert and Bernard. We have Albert and Bernard, and they have a prankster joker friend, Cheryl, who tells Albert the month of her birthday and tells Bernard the day of her birthday. And now Albert and Bernard are given 10 possible dates. So Albert is told something like May, June, July, or August. Bernard is told something like 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, or 19. And it's their conversation. We try to follow the conversation, which is our only real hint, is this conversation here. And we try to figure out what it is, try to figure out what is going on. So let's start with the first statement. Albert says, remember, Albert only knows the month. So Albert knows May, June, July, or August. And Albert says, I don't know when Cheryl's birthday is, but I know that Bernard does not know. So Albert doesn't know what the birthday is. Obviously, Albert doesn't know, but because Albert is told just a month, and all 4 months have multiple dates. So Albert doesn't know. But what's interesting here is Albert says, but I know that Bernard does not know. What does Bernard know? Days. So there, Albert says, what Albert is saying is, it is a month which does not have a unique day or a unique number. So let's look at the months. There is May, there is June, July, and August, and which have unique dates. 19 is unique and 18 is unique. All of the other numbers are repeating. So right there, from that first statement, we know it's not June and it's not May, because if it was May or June, Albert would be thinking, maybe it's May 19th, maybe it's June 18th. But Albert in this statement gives us the hint that Bernard does not know. So that means it's not a month with a unique date. So right there, from just one statement, we cancelled 5 possible answers. And this is how we're going to solve this question, through the process of negation, or negating the wrong answers, right? And so then Bernard says, now let's go to the second clue. What's the second clue here? The second clue is, Bernard says, at first I don't know when Cheryl's birthday is, but I know now. So he just has a date. So what are the remaining dates? There's July 14, so there's 14. There is 15 from August, 16, there is 17. So he's given one of these numbers. And now with this information, with the first line from Albert, he now says, at first I didn't know when Cheryl's birthday is, but I know now. What does that mean? It means it's not, at least we can say it's not a repeating number. It cannot be 14, because if it was 14, he wouldn't be sure if it's July 14th or August 14th. So right now, Albert knows which number it is. We now know that it's either July, August, or July 16th, August 15th, or August 17th. So just from 2 statements, we've taken out, what is it? Out of 10, 7 answers. And now we look at Albert's final answer. Then I also know when Cheryl's birthday is. Albert just knows the month. So from that hint, we know it's either July or it's August. But now if Albert knows when it's Cheryl's birthday, then it has to be July, because if it was August, there would still be 2 answers and Albert would not know, but Albert does know, and so it has to be July 16th. July 16th is the right answer. I hope I didn't rush through that. I hope I made sense, because I was sort of confusing myself also there. So if you have any questions, just ask me. I hope you enjoyed solving this question as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you. All right, have a good night. Bye-bye.